Welcome back to Product Critique, where we uncover the best tools for your everyday needs. Today, we're diving into the world of gardening with a close look at the Fiskars 315510-1001 Xact hand garden cultivator. If you're searching for the ultimate cultivator, your hunt might just end here. Designed by Fiskars, a brand known for its precision and durability, the Xact hand garden cultivator stands out in the realm of gardening tools. Let's explore what makes this tool the top choice for garden enthusiasts everywhere. This cultivator features deep, curved tines that effortlessly loosen soil and tackle weeds, thanks to its durable stainless steel head. It's built to resist rust and is securely fastened to ensure it stays connected to the handle, even during rigorous use. Comfort is key when spending hours in the garden. The Xact hand cultivator boasts a soft grip handle that provides multiple grip positions, reducing strain and enhancing control. Its longer, weighted handle adds balance and stability, making your gardening tasks easier and more enjoyable. Whether you're aerating soil, removing weeds, or preparing beds for planting, this cultivator delivers on every front. Its ergonomic design ensures it's not just a tool, but an extension of your gardening prowess. Wrapping up, the Fiskars 315510-1001 Xact hand garden cultivator is more than just a tool. It's a companion for every gardener. With its stellar build quality, ergonomic design, and versatile functionality, it's no wonder why this cultivator remains a top choice in the market today. That concludes our in-depth look at the Fiskars 315510-1001 Xact hand garden cultivator. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more expert product critiques. Until next time, happy gardening!